Train your English voice with root words, prefixes and suffixes. A root word is a word or part of a word that can form the basis of new words through the addition of prefixes and suffixes. A prefix is added to the beginning of a word, and a suffix is added to the end of a word. Let's look at this example. Our root word is accept. We add the prefix un to the beginning of the word and the suffix able to the end of the word to form a new word, unacceptable. Let's have a look at some prefixes. Un. This means not. For example, unequal. This means not equal. Post means after. For example, post-mortem, which means after death. Pre means before. For example, preschool, which means before school. Miss means wrong. For example, misplace. This means to lose something. Now let's have a look at some suffixes. Ly or ly means how. For example, clearly. To see clearly. Able. This means can do or can be. When we add able as a suffix, we pronounce it able. For example, comfortable. Wise. This means relating to. For example, likewise. This is relating to something similar. Less means without. For example, helpless. Without help. There are many more prefixes and suffixes that we can use, so these are just an example of some of them. Now let's look at some words that use both prefixes and suffixes. For example, abnormally. The root word is normal, the prefix is ab, and the suffix is ly. This means not normally. Our next example, unsafely. The root word is safe, the prefix is un, and the suffix is ly. This means not safely.